Hello, and welcome to this episode. I'm Ryan Chan, your host and the CEO of UpKeep. Today we're going to discuss something that can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams: the power of consolidating all your data into a single repository. We'll look at the challenges of managing multiple systems and how unifying your data can enhance your asset management strategy. Stick around and you'll learn how to streamline your operations, engage your team more efficiently, and make better business decisions. Now let's jump in. Today we're exploring a crucial component that can significantly impact maintenance, reliability, and operations teams: the importance of funneling all data into a single repository. Imagine a scenario where your maintenance team is using a CMMS, while operations are on an ERP or EAM. Sounds chaotic, right? This is the reality for many organizations, leading to poor software adoption, disjointed systems, and disconnected teams. The result? Fragmented information that's tough to access and even tougher to unify. Now let's talk about the roadblocks. Not only do these legacy systems fail to cater to end users, but the EAM and CMMS solutions also don't play nice with each other. This leads to isolated pockets of data, making it nearly impossible to get a comprehensive view of operations. But what if there was a way to streamline all this? That's where asset operations management comes into play, acting as a centralized command center for all your data. This approach not only simplifies data management, but also helps create a unique blueprint for your asset management strategy, aligning it with your business decisions and making it easier for everyone to contribute effectively. By having all data in one place, teams can learn from preventive maintenance tasks and work orders, linking them back to crucial bottom-line metrics. This unified approach not only optimizes asset management across their entire life cycle, but also supports integration with other systems, promoting a versatile ecosystem rather than a restrictive standalone system. Now let's set some clear objectives. With asset operations management, you can track maintenance data, ease administrative burdens, reduce equipment breakdowns, and enhance MRO inventory management processes. It's vital to tailor these goals to your business needs and have a solid plan for execution and success measurement. Engage with personnel at all levels, from technicians to administrators, to ensure these objectives resonate company-wide. In conclusion, integrating maintenance, reliability, and operations into a single, centralized data repository transforms chaotic, fragmented information into a streamlined, powerful tool for business success. This unified approach not only supports better decision-making, but also fosters a collaborative environment where every team member is valued and understood. Thank you for watching this episode. We've discussed the importance of consolidating all your data into a single repository, the challenges of managing multiple systems, and how asset operations management can streamline your operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.